Good morning, Miami. This is Restoration Bob. I'm walking along here, enjoying the beautiful morning in South Florida. It rained quite a bit last night. The streets are damp. Sidewalks a little slippery. Hopefully that rain is not getting into your home. There's many ways to get damage to your home. Rain is one of them, of course, but there's other things too. Every day we go out and we do mold restoration work, mold remediation work, and we see all types of problems. If you think that you have a problem with mold, or if you have a problem with odors, or if you have high moisture in your home, that's what we deal with. So give us a call. We'll come out at no charge and we'll do a free inspection and we'll try to help you get to the bottom of it. Have a great day.